Dear farmers, late Shri Bhagwanbhai Vaghabhai Chaudhary Foundation, we are commencing an auspicious initiative for the welfare of the public. We consider ourselves merely instruments in this endeavor. This trust will be administered by its supporters. Subject: regarding the elimination of the annual renewal requirement for crop loans for farmers and the provision for paying only the interest amount. 1. To repay their crop loans, farmers are often compelled to sell their produce in the market at distressingly low prices. 2. Every year, eligible individuals are required to visit the bank in person to sign the necessary documents for the renewal of their crop loans. 3. Farmers face significant risks while transporting cash to and from the bank. 4. Small-scale farmers, particularly those with limited financial reserves, are often forced to borrow money at high interest rates from private lenders to repay their crop loans, especially in instances of crop failure or damage. 5. Farmers frequently lack the necessary capital at the opportune moment. Consequently, agents exploit this situation by charging a fee of approximately 1,000 rupee to 2,000 rupee per 100,000 rupees of the loan amount to facilitate the renewal process. This practice leads to the severe exploitation of farmers. 6. Since banks grant crop loans against land as collateral, they face no inherent risk. Therefore, the requirement for annual renewal should be abolished, and farmers should be required to pay only the applicable interest amount. 7. Subsidies provided by the central and state governments could be directly deposited into the farmers' bank accounts without the need for loan renewal. 8. Crop insurance claim amounts could be directly deposited into the farmers' bank accounts without the need for loan renewal. 9. If the government wishes to extend any form of benefit to farmers, such benefits can be disbursed directly into their bank accounts. There should be no requirement for loan renewal to access these benefits. 10. Farmers are the pride of our nation, yet they currently suffer from significant economic and psychological distress. 11. We all of us, the sons of farmers, humbly appeal to the government to abolish the mandatory annual renewal of crop loans for farmers and to stipulate that only the interest amount be paid. We look forward to your cooperation and support. Sons of Farmers, please connect with our Trust's Facebook page and YouTube channel. Please join on our WhatsApp number 7878787967. Note: our trust does not accept money or any form of donation. No donations of any kind should be made in the name of our trust.